Hey guys, today we are going to finish up this unit and this semester's all of the content that we have learned this semester with scale factor and dilations. Okay, scale factor and dilations. And this is page 36 of your journal. We are like halfway through the school year, guys. Woohoo! Or more than halfway, huh? Somewhere. All right, we are on page 36. Okay. Scale factor. All right. Is the ratio of the corresponding sides of a figure. Okay, you use scale factor as a way to multiply to see a dilation. Okay, dilations you have to think of when you go to get your eyes dilated at the eye doctor. They take this fluid and they put it into your eye, and your pupil expands and it gets larger so they can see inside your eye better, right? Well, a scale factor is what it changes by. Okay, you find this by the new image over the original, okay? Or like we learned, our image over our pre-image when we were talking about transformations, okay? If it is greater than 1, okay, so for example, by like 3, 5/3, 1.5, this gets larger, okay? If your scale factor is greater than 1, your image is going to get larger. Okay, but you can also dilate an image down. You can reduce it. Okay, so if it is less than 1, so for example, 0.3, 1/3, 0.5. Okay, if it's less than 1, it reduces. This size. Something very important to remember with scale factor. Scale factor, you are multiplying. Okay, scale factor means multiply. Scale factor means multiply. So a dilation, okay, is it means transformation that either enlarges or reduces the size of an image or a figure, the size of a figure or image, when multiplied by a scale factor. transformation that enlarges or reduces the size of an image when multiplied by a scale factor. Okay, so let's practice this. Let's say, do an example. Let's say that this is 35 inches and this is 15 inches. And I want to know the new sizes when my scale factor is 2/5. Okay. So to do this, I'm going to pull out my calculator. And I'm going to take 35 and times it by my scale factor, which is 2/5. And I get 14. So 35 times 2/5. This side is now 14. Okay. And then 15 times my scale factor, which is 2/5, is 6. Okay, so these are the new sizes. Now, would I have known that this was going to be a reduction just based off of my scale factor? Yes, because it's less than 1. Okay. Now, let's see if we can find the scale factor of a new image. Okay, so let's say I have a triangle. Okay. And this is H, G, and I, and this is H prime, G prime, and I prime. Okay, this is 8 centimeters, this is 12 centimeters, and this is 8 centimeters. Okay, this one is 10 centimeters, 10 centimeters, and 15 centimeters. And I want to know my scale factor. Remember that we are doing our image, which is the new, over our pre-image, okay, which is the original. So you're just going to take one side length. So I'm going to do 10 centimeters over its corresponding. That means it has to be in the same spot, 8. So 10 over 8 centimeters. And then you just simplify that. Alpha y equals 10, oops, 8, and I want that as a fraction, which is 5/4. So my scale factor, this was enlarged by a scale factor of 5/4. And I know it was an enlargement because it's greater than 1. It's 1.25 if I change it. All right, scale factor means multiply. Most important thing for you to remember. Bye, guys.